Let us continue. Chemical symbols of an element. Today, we use the symbols determined by IUPAC system. What is the long form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. The symbols determined by IUPAC are used all over the world. The current method of choosing chemical symbols is based on the method invented by scientist Berzelius. According to this method, the symbol of an element is either the first letter or the first and second or another specific letter in its name. Of the two letters, the first is a capital letter and the second is small. Copper has symbol Cu. First letter is capital, second letter is small. Mercury has symbol Hg. And from where this Hg symbol arrives? It arrives from the Latin name Hadrergirum. You will come to know in next slides. Iron has symbol Fe. Ferrous. This chart shows symbols of various elements with their name. You can read out all the elements and write down their symbol in your science practical copy. Aluminium Al, argon Ar, beryllium Be, barium Ba, boron B, cadmium Cd, calcium Ca. Likewise, you read out all the elements and write their symbol and prepare this chart in your science practical copy. This chart shows composition of atoms of first 18 elements with electron distribution in various shell. Let us take an example. Sodium has symbol Na. Atomic number 11. Number of protons 11. Number of neutrons 12. Number of electrons 11. Distribution of electrons 2, 8, 1. 2 electrons are present in K shell, 8 electrons are present in L shell and 1 electron is present in M shell. Valency is 1. Draw this chart and write the content of it. This chart shows name of element, its symbol and valency. First 20 elements are listed here. These all charts will help you a lot when we study the concept of valency. Children, you must know that few elements have their symbol originated from their Latin name. Antimony has Latin name stibium. Therefore, the symbol is Sb. Copper is derived from its Latin name cuprum. So, the symbol is Cu. Gold, its Latin name is aurum and therefore the symbol is Au. Iron, ferrum. Symbol is Fe. Lead, plumbum. Symbol is Pb. Mercury, Hadrergirum, symbol is Hg. Potassium, the Latin name is Kalium and the symbol is K. silver argentum Ag, sodium natrium, symbol is Na, tin, its Latin name is tannum and the symbol is Sn, tungsten, it has Latin name wolfram and the symbol is W. This chart shows elements with their Latin name, symbol and their uses. Antimony, its Latin name is stibbium, symbol is Sb, it is used in batteries. Copper is used in manufacturing of wire. Gold is extensively used in making jewelry. Iron is used in steel industry. Lead is used in car batteries. Mercury is used in thermometer. Potassium is used in manufacturing of fertilizers. Silver is used in coins and sodium is used in preparation of salt. Atoms of some element such as helium, neon have independent existence. It means that these elements are in a monoatomic molecular state. Sometimes two or more atoms of an element combine to form molecules of that element. Such elements are in a polyatomic molecular state. For example, the elements oxygen, nitrogen are in a diatomic molecular state as O2, N2 respectively. Examples of polyatomic molecule include P4 phosphorus and sulfur S6. When atoms of different elements combine with each other, the molecules of compound are formed. In other words, compounds are formed by chemical attraction between different elements. So children, we have completed today the topics like atom, its size, then atomic mass, then we have seen chemical symbols of various elements and molecules of elements and compounds. Thank you.